Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to find intersection of two unsorted array. Okay, so here I have taken one example where we have two arrays, right? And first array is length of 7 and the second array is length of 6. Okay, you can see here, right? And both are unsorted array. So here what we have to do, we have to find the unique values which are common in both set of arrays. So here we can see that, right? And it should not be duplicate also. So here we can see that 1 and 5 are common value which are present in number 1 and number 2. You can see, right? So that is fine. Now the question is like how to solve this programmatically. So there are certain ways to do that, but we will solve using hash set. Now we are knowing like what is the use of hash set, right? So basically hash set removes the duplicate values and give us the distinct values. Okay. So here I have written one approach, right? How to solve that. So firstly, what we will do, we'll just create two empty hash set, and one is the temporary hash set, and another one is the final hash set. Okay. So firstly, what we will do in temporary hash set, we will add the all distinct value of number one. Like first array, we will add that. So that will give us like all the distinct value of number one. Okay. And what after that, what we will do, we'll just compare with the second array. I mean, like for the temporary hash set, we will compare with the second array, and after that we will put into another hash set. Okay, so this will give us the final result with all the distinct and unique values. I'll show you in the code so that you will be understand it better. Okay, and the time complexity would be order of n plus m because we are using two different for loops. Okay, so now let's go to the code and see how it will work. So here you can see that I have declared and defined two arrays, number 1 and number 2. And after that, what I have done, I have created one method in intersection of two unsorted array. And here I'm expecting two parameters. That means list of array 1 and list of array 2. After that, what I have done, I have created two empty hash set. You can see here, right? Temp and then final intersection. So like this empty hash set, what we will do, we will just add all the values of array 1, that means number 1, in this temporary hash set. So what it will give is this will give us the distinct value, right? So because we are using hash set, right? So this will give us the distinct values. After that, what in the second loop, what I am doing, so in first loop it will add all the distinct value. In the second loop, what it will do, I'm just comparing this temporary hash set with array 2. Okay, and after that I'm storing in the final intersection hash set. So here I have created another hash set. So this will store all the distinct element, right? It will remove all the duplicate element of array 2 and this one, like temporary hash set, and this will give us the final intersection of all the distinct value. And after that, what I'm doing, I'm just printing the value. Okay, and how I'm calling this method in our main class. So for that, I have created an object here, and with help of this object, I'm just calling this method, and here I'm passing number 1 and number 2 because it is expecting two parameters, right? So that's the reason. And after that, I'm just doing console.read. So let me put one breakpoint and then I'll show you like how it is working. So I'll put breakpoint here and here as well. Let me start the application. After that, I'll put one F10. So here you can see that, right? Array 1 is the length of 7 and array 2 is length of 6. Okay, and then I'll just go one by one. So here it is creating two empty hash sets. So first one is the temp hash set and the another one is the final intersection. Okay, so in first loop, what we are doing, we are just adding all the elements of array 1. Okay, so here it will give all the distinct elements of array 1. So I'll show you, right? So here you can see that, right? All the distinct values of array 1. Okay, after that, in second loop, what I'm doing, I'm just comparing. So if temporary variable, like suppose temporary hash set is containing this value or not, like hash set of first values 4. Okay, and then it will compare, and after that it will save in this final intersection all the distinct value. So I'll show you. So it is just comparing, and after that it will save all the values. So now you can see that, right? Our final intersection is 1 and 5. It is removing all the duplicate values. And lastly, I'm just printing all the values. So I'll just put on continue. So you can see, right, what is our final output, 1 and 5. So here you can see that, right? This is our array and this is our final output. So 1 and 5 are common in both arrays. Okay, so I hope you are clear with this concept. I'll see you next video. Thank you.